Hello, this is Professor Carbonaro, and I have a video which will show you how to get started in my class. What I have in front of you is Canvas, and hopefully everybody got my invite and now they're loaded up to Canvas, and I want to walk you through the process of getting started. When you log into your Canvas account, you will notice that you have three tabs. One's called the Home tab, which is the default tab, and this is what shows up. On the Home tab right now, or in the first couple of weeks of class, I will always have information about the course and some options to purchase the textbook. And if I scroll down, it also talks about SAM, which I'll talk about in a second. After about 2 weeks, I will remove this information because everybody should have their textbook and registered. And I will put information every week about what's going on in class on this page. The next tab that I want you to be comfortable with using, which is the one you're going to be using most of the semester, is the Modules tab. So I'm going to go ahead and click in Modules. The Modules tab is basically the home page for work. Every week, what goes on, what you're going to do, you go to the module page first. The way the module page is set up is the first thing I do is I have what's known as course resources. This is where you'll find the syllabus, the student bio, which I'll talk about in a second, the class lounge, and the data files. So the syllabus is there. You can open it up, take a look at it. Everybody needs to go ahead and go into the student bio by clicking it. And I tell you exactly what I want you to include in your bio up here. And all you're going to do is come down here, hit reply, and then type your reply and hit post. All right, I'm going to go back to modules. That explains the student bio. And you're going to do that the first thing in. You want to do your student bio immediately. The class lounge is another forum where you can pose questions for classmates, and even I will look in there to see if I can help people. So if you can't get in touch with me, or you just want to leave some other classmates comments or questions, you're more than welcome to leave them in the class lounge. Student data files are the files we're going to need for class. I usually have an orientation at the beginning of the semester where if you come to it, I usually give you a flash drive with all the data files you will need. If you do not attend that orientation, this is where you'll grab your data files. Next thing down. In our classes, we'll be using Microsoft Office. And at Long Beach City College, we have basically two options. You can get it for free, or you can purchase it for $39.99. Now, here's the difference between these two. The free software is as long as you're a student at Long Beach City College. As long as you're enrolled at Long Beach City College, you will have access to Microsoft Office 365, and you can download it actually on 5 different devices. So you can put it on a laptop, your mom's computer, your dad's computer, your computer. You have 5 downloads. You can take the PC version or the Mac version. Just click the link, follow my instructions, and the username and password are the same as you would use when you're registering classes. It's your PeopleSoft password and username. If you want to own the software for life, even after you leave Long Beach City College, this is your other option. Purchase it for $39.99, and you own Microsoft Office for as long as you own your computer. Okay, next thing, SAM. SAM is a site that we will be using to do assignments. So in this class, we'll be doing assignments out of the textbook, but we will also be doing assignments on a website. And the website we'll be using is a Cengage website, which is your publisher, and it's called SAM. I have videos in here on how to set everything up. I have a quick start video, how to register and log in on SAM, how to get started using SAM, how to access your textbook. You get options to an ebook as well as having a hard copy. And then the things that we'll be doing in SAM are these 3 items here. We'll be doing what they call trainings, projects, and exams. And if you watch these videos, it will teach you how to do all 3. Okay, moving on. Every week I will have work, and I will list the work in modules that say week 1, week 2, week 3, and so on. Everything that you need to do is underneath the week, so there's no guessing on what work is due. You would open up your Canvas site, you would come into the module page, you would go down to the week, and in this case it's week 1, and you would notice that, oh, there's a training I need to do, there's a concepts module challenge I need to do, and another challenge I need to do. And now you may be saying to yourself, what are these? How do I do them? Where are they? Every assignment, you just need to click in it, and it will open up another screen and it will tell you exactly what to do. For instance, a training, it says, please go to SAM to complete this training. And I have a link right there. You click in SAM, you log in, and you do the training. Okay, let me go back and show you again. When you get to the areas that are called independent challenges, and in some of my classes, they're called case studies, something that you don't do in SAM. So let me click on these and show you what you got to do. So you open these up, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I give you very detailed information on every assignment. I said, this assignment is in your textbook on page 45. Please complete this assignment using Microsoft Word. Save the assignment on your flash drive, and then submit the assignment here. And I give you some, if there's any special directions I want you to do or something different, I give you a note. And on this assignment, for instance, it says, note, when you get to the top threats page, use the search box for ransomware, rogues, and exploit. So I give some additional information, and I usually tell you how many files need to be uploaded. Basically, you're going to go to your textbook, do what I say, save the file, and then you're going to come back here and you're going to hit Submit Assignment. As you can see, right now, nothing's been submitted. When I hit the Submit Assignment and I go through the process of uploading the assignment, this box will change and say the assignment was turned in, the date it was turned in, and gives you all the information. Okay, let me go back one more time and tell you that that's basically it. When you get into chapters in my class, depending what class you're in, that has assignments that maybe I have answer keys for you, I will usually post the answer keys on the week work. So in this case, in this class, on the Windows Module 1, you will notice that I have all these different assignments, and if I posted answer keys, they would be underneath each one of them. And then I want you to look at the answer key before you submit to make sure that you're submitting the correct assignment. Okay, so you notice week 2, week 3, week 4, every week basically just has different activities, and if you just click on any of the activities, it will tell you exactly what to do. So remember, Canvas is your starting point. The home page is the default page, and it will give you information. Right now it's giving information about the textbook. The Grades tab will give you information about your grades. So you will get scores if you've completed something. It will tell you a score. If you didn't, it will give you a score. In this case, I have some sample grades in here to give you an example of what it looks like. And then your module page is basically your page to go to every week to figure out what work is due. I hope this makes more sense and lets you get started without having any confusion in the class. Thank you.